Hello students, welcome back to the class. During the last class we have discussed about liberalism and basic tenets. In this class we will continue the same topic about the basic tenets. Children, already we have know what is meant by liberalism. I'll start from the basic tenets. Tenets are nothing but principles or a belief. If you have any principle or a belief, that is called as basic tenets. Basic principles are called as basic tenets. Liberalism mainly depends upon the supremacy of procedure over end product. Mainly they depends upon the supremacy of procedure. Okay, whatever the process and procedures we are following, that should be very supreme, that should be quite superior. So that beliefs. So liberalisms are mainly depends upon supremacy of procedure. Okay, why? Because whenever if you are following any procedures, supremacy procedures, if you follow, the result also will be very good. Whenever if you are following a very good process, result will be good. So similarly, liberalism also believes in the process of supremacy of procedure. Okay, and liberalism denotes that procedure for making decisions should be right. Whatever the process which we are making, through that procedure if you are making any decision, so whenever if you are using the correct procedure, decisions always will be correct. Whenever if you are using a very good procedure, result always will be good, and that will be accepted to all, everybody will accept, and the result always will be right. And that's why the first important thing, the liberalism principle, basic principles, what they believe, principles, the belief is procedures should be good. Whenever the procedures will be good, okay, what will happen, the results always will be good and everybody will accept that point. Second thing, if you are seeing the liberals like freedom, equality and democracy, children, they have the perfect procedure. Whenever if you are seeing the freedom, or when you are seeing the concept of principle of equality, principle of freedom, principle of equality and democracy, they have certain perfect procedures. Okay, and these are very important for various social life. Children, they are following the perfect procedure, and that's why the result always will be perfect for them. In democratic country, always the result will be perfect. Okay, so here also liberals are nothing but liberals in the form of freedom, okay, in the form of equality. Already we have discussed what is meant by modern liberalism. Okay, equality, providing freedom as well as equality, civil liberty, and equality is a very important concept to achieve the social justice. That is a modern liberalism. Similarly, here also freedom, equality and democracy, these are very important, and these are act as a perfect procedure for the various social life. Okay, so there are also following the procedure, the principle of equality, democracy and freedom, there are following some procedure, okay, for various social life. This is one point. Now liberalism, these principles also encourage civil liberty. So liberalism principles are mainly encouraging the civil liberty. Like first one, what are the civil liberty, what are the freedom we are providing? Freedom of thoughts, every person have right to think. First important freedom, that is called as freedom of thoughts. Second important freedom, which is called as freedom of expression. Freedom of thoughts means you can think anything. Suppose if you wanted to think a very good views, very good ideas, okay, if you wanted to think any innovative methods, you have right to think. Freedom of expression means if anybody have a freedom to express their ideas, if they wanted to express their views in the form of books, they can express their views in the form of newspaper, magazine, radios, TV channel. So every person have right to express their views. That is called freedom of expression. Freedom of expression is not only to express their views in the form of words, in the form of written words, in the form of books, in the form of paper, in the form of picture also. Many people, they have a freedom of expression by drawing a picture. So you have that rights. So every person have right to thought, every person have freedom of expression, freedom to form association. People have freedom to form association. If they wanted to form any groups, they have right to form any type of association, movement. Suppose if you wanted to move from one country to another country, you have a right. Suppose if you belongs to this particular state, if you wanted to move to any other state, you have right to move. and personal freedom. Every person have right to have a personal freedom. So these all are very, very important. This is nothing but civil liberty. So whatever the freedom which we are giving to the civilians, that is called as civil liberty, such as freedom of thoughts, freedom of expression, freedom to form association, freedom of movement, and freedom of personal freedom. These are the freedom of civil liberty. At the same time, children, you should be obedient with the legal and judicial process. Okay, whatever the rules and regulations are there, you should be obedient and you should follow. First of all, you have to discharge the fundamental duties, and you should be obedient with the law. Whenever the government have implemented any law, you have to follow the law, you have to respect the law, okay, and you have to discharge your duty, and you have to discharge your judicial process. Okay, you should be obedient for discharging the judicial process. You should be obedience toward, okay, you should be obedience to the law, and you should be obedience to the judicial process. And at the same time, if individuals are restricted any civil liberty, then other also should be restricted. If one individual is restricted for civil liberty, then all the people should be restricted. So liberalism principles believe that everybody should be given equally. If one person is not getting, then others should also not get. If one is getting, everybody should get. So that is a principle liberalism applies. So what we have discussed here, we are discussing about the basic tenets. Okay, last we have discussed 2 points. Now we are discussing third and fourth point of basic tenets. So liberalism mainly depends upon the supremacy of procedure over the end product. Whenever the process will be supreme, the result always will be supreme. So liberalism mainly depends upon the supremacy procedure over the end product. Liberalism donates procedures for making the decisions should be right. Whatever the procedures we are doing, that procedures for making decisions should be correct. Suppose if we are deciding something by using that procedure, the procedure should be correct, then decision also will be correct, decision will be right. Whenever if the procedures are not correct, the decisions will go wrong. So always we have to follow the supremacy, liberalism that believes in supremacy of procedure. Always whenever if you are making any decision, through which process we are making the decision, that procedure should be correct, and then the result also will be correct, and everybody will be accepted. Every person will be accepted for that result. At the same time, if you see, liberalism believes in freedom, equality, democracy. Modern liberalism, what? In the modern liberalism, in the earlier concept we have discussed that when all the people are free, when all the people will get equality, then that is called to enjoy the civil liberty. So that is called as modern liberalism. Now, in perfect procedure is very, very important for social life. If you see, okay, whatever the procedures for enjoying freedom, okay, and what are the procedures for having the equality, and whatever the procedures which they are following for democracy, perfect procedure is very, very important for social life. Okay, democracy follows a very important process. So democracy is following the very important procedure. Okay, and this democracy are following a very important procedure for various social life. Now liberty also encourages civil liberty. Liberalism also encourages civil liberty. Civil liberty means giving freedom to the civilians. When you are giving freedom to the civilians in the various ways, like freedom of thoughts, okay, freedom of expression, people have right to thought, any ideas or belief. People have right to express their views. People have right to form unions and association. People have right to move from one place to another place. Every people should be given personal freedom. Okay, and the citizens should be obedience to discharge. Citizens should be obedience for the judicial process. They should respect the law, and they should respect the judicial procedure. So this is one point. So when the freedoms are enjoyed, children, when the states are giving lot of freedom, in the same time when your freedoms are being protected by judiciary, it is a responsibility of all the citizens that they should respect and they should be obedience to the legal procedure, judicial procedure. Okay, they should be obedience. They should be quite obedience to the legal procedure as well as judicial procedure. So children, this is about the important principle of liberalism. We'll Meet you in the next class, students. Thank you very much.